Hi, it's me, Kiwi, and I have something to say. Battle for a time which may take longer because I lost my account and the progress was lost, but I finally got it back. But I don't have the episode because I didn't save it. The battle for a time wish. It's gonna take like 5 more months or something. I don't really know because it's like 6 minutes long. And I'm really depressed, so please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Battle for a time. Please, I am depressed. And I am tearing. Just look at me right there. Cause I'm very, very depressed. Okay, if you like, maybe I will have a smile. Maybe do a thing. Maybe donate me $500 for Battle of the Time Wish. It's super cool. Also, whoever got eliminated